what it is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room, you can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Finally got the designs put on there. That's a stencil I'll be doing. But I just copied this side with some transfer paper. Took a long time to do that. I haven't even done the sides yet, or the hood. Only get the weekends to work on shit, so don't have time. So I redo this side, repainted it. So I covered this, as you can see. Then the paper hit the paint job over here, so I sand it down and repaint that whole panel. I was working on the graphics on the side. I messed up on this so many times, I just skipped it and went to that trunk. But still have a lot to do. Every day it's been like 100 degrees over here, so you can't be outside much. I'm already dying. Sweating all morning working on this. But yeah, this is what I've been working on. And I'll make another video on probably later today. I'm gonna start painting all this stuff. Yeah, I want to do like this diamond white, like with a purple outline. Do this base. Do this like, I don't know, maybe a candy blue. This line, and then I got black base I'll put over this. Then I have a color shift that I'll put over this. And it turns like from black to blue and purple with a black base on it. You just mix some pigments into clear and you'll put it over the black base that I do here. What I do is spray over this and let it overspray just a little bit inside of here.